What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you a really easy tip that will help you to have your labels, your plant labels and all of that not fade away with UV light and over the summer. Because see, if you use a regular marker like a Sharpie or something that perhaps comes with all of your labels, such as this marker right over here, these will fade within a matter of weeks to maybe a couple of months. But these markers here that come with perhaps things like label packs, they don't really work. I tried them out last year and they do not work well at all. So, and of course you're going to be labeling things. You're going to be labeling things like your seeds, like you can see right in there, starting to sprout. So what you want to use is very cheap, very simple, and that is an oil-based Sharpie. So as you can see here, an oil-based marker. It doesn't have to be a Sharpie, but something along the lines of that. You can't really tell the difference, besides it's a little bit more, has a thicker point. But this it will really come and shine when you put these out and they start fading immediately or within a matter of weeks. And when you have these out, and I will report back to you maybe in a community post how these are doing, how these tags are holding up, and if I do still recommend an oil-based marker. But after due research and diligence, I have found out that the secret is oil-based markers. So that is something that you can keep in mind when you are labeling. You don't need to spend extra for UV resistant, other different types of markers that might cost like $10 a piece. No need to do that. Just go ahead and get yourself a cheap oil-based Sharpie. This one here only cost me like $4, and it will last you a while. So it's just another thing you can keep in mind. I hope that I have solved some problems with this, especially with labels. I know that is a common concern that many people have. But if you are growing seedlings, you're going to need somewhere to put them. So I encourage you now to check out this video right here to see how I built a cedar planter for only $3.